In this first example here, we are using site.request to make a request to a robots.txt file on a live site. And we're making an assertion that the body in the response returned back should contain the allow /, meaning that all the bots should be able to crawl this page. So if we run this test, we'll see that it passes. In the next example, we are asserting the response body payload from a JSON API. So we're getting we're hitting this posts endpoint and we're asserting that its body, so this will return the body from the request, and then we're asserting that its length property, since it's an array, should be equal to 100. So there should be 100 posts coming back. And we can see that this passes as well. One of the ways we can confirm this is if we comment things out. Because Cypress runs in the browser, when we click on our request and we click on this yielded, we can see that the body has 100 objects in the array. In the next example, we're getting the length of an array. So here we're hitting the homepage of the learn.cypress.io, and we're getting all of the links contained within this class called course progress. And we want to verify that the amount of anchor tags in this case should be equal to 6. We can see that it is equal to 6. And again, to confirm it, when we click on the get and we're getting all of the anchor tags, we can see that it yielded an array with 6 anchor tags in it. Finally, in our last example, we have an object here with a user with a first name, a last name, an age, and an email property. And then we're just asserting on this object using its to grab all the properties within the object, and then they should be equal to. So the first name should be equal to John, last name should be equal to Doe, etc. And notice how we have to use sci.wrap in order to wrap this user object in order to add Cypress methods onto it. And so when we run it, everything passes.